morning, everyone. Morning nga. Ang lamig, guys.
Getting colder.
It's getting cold. Dito kami sa city, guys, kasi may appointment kami sa bangko today. So, 8:30 maaga kami. 30 minutes early. So, maglakad-lakad muna kami dito. Ang lamig. Tapos na yung summer dito ay maginaw na. Wala pang mga ano. Wala pang bukas na shops. Mga sarado pa lahat ng shop. Sorry. Mga magbukasan dito, guys, mga 10. Yan. Right? The bank open 10, but for appointment 9. 9. McDonald's. It's close. Ay, naku. Tingnan nyo nilalakaran namin. Daming bicycle, oh. Bicycle. Bicycle. That's my husband. Lakad-lakad muna kami, guys. We're just walking just to wait for the time. Konti pa lang yung mga naglalakad ko. Konti. Pag summer dito, guys, ang daming mga tao. Pero ngayon malamig na, mga tao. Yan, tago-tago na sila sa bahay. Kasi malamig na. It's close. Ha? Close. Daming mga shop dito, guys, pero mas marami pa dyan sa baba. Sa baba mas marami pa. Alcohol shop. Alcohol shop. Cubes. Dito, guys, yung number 1 service nila yan is bibili daw sa husband ng coffee. Ito muna kami magtambay, guys. Dami mong bicycle. Ito, ano to eh, commercial area. Pero konti pa lang to. Doon sa baba mas marami. Pero dito dahil malapit yung bangko dito, so dito kami muna ni husband. So nandun siya sa loob, bumili ng coffee. So maaga pa naman. Giniginaw talaga ako, grabe. Ginaw. Ito yung mga bata. Ang cute ng mga bata. Tingnan nyo. Yung mga bata papasok sa school. Diyan. Papasok sila sa school, mga bata. Nag-service. Ang cute ng mga bata. Papasok sa school. Kasi may pasok ngayon dito. Mga bata. Tapos dyan yung bus station. Bus station dyan, guys. Bus station. There's so many of them. Like boys. Look at them. This is their way for going to school. Thank you. Can I see your coffee? Black coffee for her husband. Ginig-ginig. Black coffee daw siya. Ha? 10. Tara. So, tapos na daw yung timing namin. Then we're going now. Kasi malapit na yung appointment namin na 9 o'clock. So, we're going to the bank. How was your coffee? Satisfied?
So yummy.
So yummy. So yummy. Diyan lang naman yung bank, guys. Ang daming mga upuan dito. Usually kasi dito, guys, mga nagko-coffee, tatambay. Ayan, pa-open na yung mga shops. So, ayan. Pa-open na yung mga shops. Then, padami ng tao dito mamaya. Ayan. Hi guys, we're done. Tapos na kami. And yeah, so much. I'm so happy we're done. Husband made it for me. Yeah, thank you. Tapos na kami, guys. Ang bait ng babae dun sa bangko. She's very nice, very helpful. And I'm so happy I made it. And I only asked for one requirement, so it's very good. And good that I have it. Very good at it. Yes, I'm so happy. She's very helpful, and then she gave us option, yeah? Option. Like, I have the savings and the banking account. It's very good at the same time. So, I'm just gonna wait for my card. You're gonna send it to my husband mailbox. And yeah, good to go. Now we're going to...
I think we have to change on my mailbox that you have to put your name on it too.
Yeah, we're going to the grocery store, gonna meet my brother-in-law. And yeah, we're gonna shop some stuff for the house. And yeah, ang gulo ng buhok ko. That's okay, made it. Not here. So, nandito na kami sa grocery store, guys. And I don't know if my brother-in-law is here. So, there, we're gonna go in that shop. In a grocery store. So, we're gonna shop there. But I don't think if my brother-in-law is here. We're gonna check. He's here? No. Crowded, oh. Daming tao. Super. So, hindi namin alam kung nandito na yung brother-in-law ko. Pero sabi ko, pasok na tayo sa loob. Pag ginaw eh. Sabi ko, we're going inside na. Dito kasi, guys, every Thursday, meron silang mga...
It's every Thursday.
Just for today?
I have those.
Okay. So, it's not like every Thursday. Ganda ng mga plants. Look at the plants. Can I show them the plants? Those are grasses. Yeah, they're nice one. Yan ang mga plants, guys. Oh, ang ganda nito. 39.
Like this.
Yeah.
A trolley like this.
Oh. Is that trolley? Yeah. Just want to see the plants. Ang ganda nito, oh. Purple. Ang cabbage. Purple. And then meron green. Tapos kabila. Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda naman ito. Pero mahal siya. Ang ganda, guys, oh. Ganda. Ano kaya tong pots na to? 3,499. 1,452. Ganda. Ito meron ako sa bahay nito. Ito maganda to. Madaling alagaan. Meron ako niyan sa bahay. Pero itong ganda. Yan, pasok tayo sa loob, guys. Ganda. Thank you. Oh, tingnan dito, guys. Ganda, oh. 84. Ay, kakala ko ano to. Plastic pala siya. Plastic. Oh, you throw that one. Because it's still okay. It's olive oil, sir?
It's all fire. No, it's too late.
Yeah, if I miss that one, that's what I
No, I want to do like this.
We're gonna cook, guys. We're at home, and then we're gonna cook for dinner, and then we're gonna eat. Ah, that's why. Okay. And then maybe we can put this also there. Here?
Yeah, you can put it on the side.
Yeah. And this one to heat it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I didn't know we had chicken.
Yeah, I told you we had no. Just to heat it. It's like that. And then we just spread them. Oh, it's potato. Sarap?
Yeah.
Sarap?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's potato and...
With cream and stuff.
Looks yummy this one. Okay. This is our dinner, guys. We have the potato and then pork and then chicken. That's our dinner for today.
Yes.
Yeah, sarap.
Yum. Be yummy, right?
So that's it, guys. We're gonna cook and then eat, then watch some movie, and then bedtime. Yes.
You can have salad.
Do you want a salad?
Shall I have some salad for us?
I'll make it little.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll make salad. So I'm gonna make some little salad also for husband. Look at my face so hard. I'll make salad. Okay. So yan, guys. Gumawa ako ng salad. Yan. Konti lang yung salad na ginawa ko, guys. Tapos, gumawa din pala ako ng cucumber pickles. Ayan. Itong marinade na to, dati ginawa na to ni husband. Kaya lang, pag nauubos siya, yung pickles sa loob, dinadagdagan ko siya. So, today, namili kami doon sa grocery. So, dahil paubos na siya, so, naglagay ulit ako ng mga bago. Ayan. Yung mga luma, ito na siya. Ayan. Tapos, yung mga bago, nakalalagay ko lang yung mga green pa. So, masarap to, guys. Ewan ko kung ano yung nilagay niya. So, lalagay ko lang to sa rep. Tapos, yun ang hinahalo ko doon minsan sa salad na kanyang kinakain. Masarap siya. Kahit kung ano lang siya, yung kainin mo lang na, yung papakin mo lang, ang sarap-sarap niya. Gustong-gusto ko siya. Masarap siya eh. Dinner is finished, guys. Tapos na kaming kumain and then nanonood na lang kami ng movie bago matulog. Yan sa sao. Oh. Tulog. Nanood. Watching movie.
Alien Earth.
Alien Earth. So, we watch movie, guys, after dinner. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Say bye, Papa.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.